What is the monkey one?
Monkey gland sauce is like a big orangutan monkey, and it has big I can't even it has big glands under it, and they milk the glands into these cups, and then.
So you're saying I can either eat a juicy worm or orangutan sweat?
Okay, so this is a really cool video about an ex-NFL football player named Jordan Beck. He played football for 3 years and his story is remarkable.
How to think about profit, how to think about expenses and things like that accurately. I know I messed up a lot, but out of the businesses, I know you guys have quite a few. Which one's the most profitable, and how do you guys mitigate expenses? You know, things like that.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the